sky's getting even darker, you guys. I'm driving over here through Dorton in Pike County, Kentucky. Just driving around to pick up my daughter, my youngest daughter, for school this week. This is what it looks like in Dorton, Kentucky. I like to drive through here, and I like to drive through the highway part of the Letcher County, Pike County line. I also like to go through Jenkins sometimes. That's where I mostly go through. It's faster, but I just decided since the leaves are changing in their color, I would drive through here, kind of like for a little joyride for me on the way over here. I like to look at all the trees. It has been raining off and on all day long today. Just real gloomy looking. But I like it like this. It seems like the trees have really changed a lot more over towards this way than what they have in Letcher County so far. Maybe it's because of the higher elevation, I'm really not sure. My ear is still infected, but it's getting a little bit better. Some of the roads ain't too good over here either. That little double wide up there on that hill's for sale. I would prefer if I was able to move over here, either like on the Letcher County, Pike County line more towards Jenkins, or over there towards the highway, or where I drove through Dorton, or even right through here at Shelby Gap, if I could. I'd rather be up towards Jenkins though. I don't like the section I'm at in Letcher County. Well, I want to get off here, guys, before it turns into a short, long-form video. Thanks for watching. Talk to y'all later.